Hello students, welcome back to the class. The sentence, the basic element of the grammar. You should know what is sentence. Now look at this example. Has Goa beaches fine? Is there any meaning in the first line? Has Goa beaches fine? There is no meaning at all. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to rearrange each word and make it to have a meaning. So just see, we can't begin with has. What about Goa? Yes, out of all you can start with Goa. So Goa. Next, which is the verb has. So Goa has. The beach is fine. Beach is a noun. Fine is a adjective. So put adjective first. So Goa has fine beaches. Now look at the second sentence. Goa has fine beaches. There is meaning. So a group of words that make a complete sense is called a sentence. Look down, you can see the beautiful sight of Goa beach. So you should know Goa is a subject, has the verb, fine is the adjective, and beach is a noun. So a word that describes a noun is called adjective. A group of words which gives complete meaning is called sentence. Here, Goa has fine beaches is giving you a complete meaning. Let's move. Now look at this. Did go when Goa to you? Absolutely, there is no meaning at all. So what you have to do? You have to rearrange and make it a meaningful sentence. Okay, so which word we can write first? Since it is a question, you have to begin with question word WH, right? When, then the next word is again a question word did. When did, then search for the subject you. When did you, then the verb is go. When did you go to Goa? Now count and see how many words are there in the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. So you have to check again your answer whether you have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer has got 6 words. You have rearranged it correctly. So the second line is absolutely a question line. So when did you go to Goa? There is meaning. So you call it a sentence. Look here, a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. So this is what we were learning so far. That is, for a 5 words together, if it does not make or give any meaning, we don't call it a sentence. So group of words that if you make a complete sense, then you call it a sentence. Next, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question or a mark of exclamation. Now look at this, the phrase in the park, in the morning. Now in the park, is there any meaning? 1, 2, 3 words is there, but it gives you some idea that is something in the park. You don't know what, but in the park. So there is meaning, but not a complete meaning. Such kind of word you call it a phrase. Look down, in the morning. That is something in the morning. So there is no complete meaning, but something you can understand, something in the morning. So I'm going to offer mass in the morning, or I'm going to temple in the morning, something you can say. So there is meaning. So a group of words that gives meaning but not a complete meaning is called a phrase. Now look at this. Children are playing in the park. Look at the picture. You can see many children playing. Now underline word you see, in the park. In the park is a phrase. Sometime in the exam they may give a phrase and they may ask you to construct a sentence using the phrase. So what you should say, children are playing in the park, or you can say, or we have a party in the park. You can make any sentence. but this word in the park should come in the sentence. Hope you understood. Now see, using the phrase, you made a complete sentence. Now, has fine. Is it a phrase? No, not a phrase, because has fine is not giving you a complete, not complete, it's not giving any meaning. So it is not a phrase. But look here, fine beaches. Beach is a noun. You know what is a beach. Fine beaches, that is a beautiful, very good beaches. So fine beaches giving you some idea, meaning. So you call it a phrase. Now look here, was great singer, classical, Tansen A. Now actually in this sentence, at the end of this topic, they will give you a group of words, a mixed word or jumbled word, which you have to rearrange and make a meaningful, which make a sentence. Now look here, how can we make it rearrange and make a sentence? Now here if you search Tansen, Tansen can be subject. So select Tansen, Tansen. Now search for verb. Okay, auxiliary verb is there, was. So Tansen was, then comes the A. A. So what are the other words left out? Great, singer, classical. So which we can put first? Great. Then what great singer. So what singer? Classical. So classical you can put first. So Tansen was a great classical singer. Don't put singer classical, become wrong. Classical singer will make a sense. So once again read and see. Before that you have to check whether it is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 word. Again check your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer also should have 6 words. Then you can be sure that you have used all the words. So here read and see whether it is making any sense. Tansen was a great classical singer. So Tansen was a great classical singer. There is meaning, so you call it sentence. Now look at this. Colors rainbow up is made of 7. So these are jumbled word. How can you make it meaningful? Look down, there is a picture. You can see a beautiful rainbow on the sky. So how can you make it? So here if you search, rainbow can be subject. So put rainbow. Begin with the capital letter. Rainbow R. Rainbow. Then search for verb. See is there auxiliary verb. Rainbow is, then search again for any other verb. Made is there. So made, see up of preposition, made up of colors. How many colors? There is a word, number is there. Number 7 is your adjective. So 7 colors. So check whether you got the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. The answer also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. So you have used all the words. Rainbow is made up of 7 colors. Hope you know all the colors. So this is a picture of rainbow. So this is how you have to rearrange the words and make a meaningful sentence. We have come to the end of the part. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.